Okay, in 5.2, we are going to learn two special triangles. First one is the isosceles triangles. In Chinese, we call it 等腰三角形. So imagine there is a human right there. The waist is the two sides. So the two sides is equal. We call it 等腰三角形, equal waist. So imagine there is a triangle right here, and you can imagine these two sides just like a waist of a human, and these two sides is equal. So we call it the isosceles triangle. The isosceles triangles has some properties. First one is that when we denote these three vertices to be A, B, C, and because of the fact that these two ways is the same, so AB is equal to AC. Then we can quickly notice that this two angle is the same based on the fact this is an isosceles triangle. So there is a reasons right there. So you can imagine that when you are trying to fold this triangle, you can try it at home. Fold it along this green line. So fold it. You can see that this two angle is basically the same. If this two sides is equal, if the waist is equal. So this is the properties of isosceles triangle, and the corresponding reasoning is base angles isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle can be abbreviated as ISOS dot, and then triangle abbreviated at this notation. So base angle is talking about these two angles. Is the bottom of the two waists. Apart from base angles and isosceles triangles, we have other properties of the isosceles triangles. Again, we use this green line right here. So the intersection points of this green line and the BC, let me denote this to BD. So there are several situations. First, if we know that BD is equal to CD, so then we find that these two will be true. So the first one is angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. So this angle will be equal to this angle. And also we will find that AD is perpendicular to BC. So this is perpendicular. But in other situations is that if we know, again we have this line AD. If we find that BAD is equal to CAD, then the other two will be automatically satisfied. That means BD will be equal to CD, and also the AD will be perpendicular to BC. Finally, if we find that this green line AD is perpendicular to BC, again, then the other two things will be automatically satisfied. So that is the angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. So these two angles will be the same. On the other hand, the waist will be the same. Not the waist, sorry. Is these two sides will be the same. In summary, we can write something like this. So in the isosceles triangle, if the BD is equal to CD, then you will quickly notice that two angles will be the same, and also the AD will be perpendicular to the BC. Now, at the same time, if AD is perpendicular to BC, then the other two things will be automatically satisfied. Finally, if this angle is the same, then we will find that the BD will be equal to CD and the lines are perpendicular to each other. So, in summary, if we are using this kind of logics to do some deduction, we can write down the reasoning to be properties of isosceles triangle. Okay, PROP is the short form of properties. So this is the another theorem about the isosceles triangle. Now, on the other hand, if we have a triangle right here, but we don't know whether it is an isosceles triangle, but we know the fact that the base angle is the same. That means the angle B is equal to angle C. Then we will know that AB is equal to AC. So angle ABC is an isosceles triangle based on the definition, because in the definitions we say that isosceles triangle is the base is the same. So if we find that AB is equal to AC based on the fact that angle B is equal to angle C, then AB is equal to AC, then angle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So when we are using this kind of proof, we need another theorem called side opposite equal angle. Okay, so that's the reasoning when we are trying to prove whether it is side opposite equal angles to prove whether it is an isosceles triangle. Okay, finally, we are going to learn the equilateral triangle in 5.2. Equilateral triangle in Chinese, we call it 等邊三角形. So that means the three sides are equal. So let me draw a triangle ABC such that the three sides are equal. Okay, so the properties of equilateral triangle is as the following. First, these three sides will be the same, and also this three angle is the same. Now, because of the fact that this three angle is the same, and based on the fact that these three angles adding together will be equal to 180 degrees based on the fact that the theorem of angle sum of triangle. So then we will notice that this three angle is basically the 180 degree over 3. That is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so if we want to claim, if we know that this is an equilateral triangle, we want to claim the three side is the same and the three angle is the same, which is equal to 60 degree, then we can write down a theorem, so-called the properties PROP dot of EQUIL in the short form of the equilateral triangle. Okay, so that's about the equilateral triangle.